I'd like to also thank the professional photographers who have given up their day today to take all these photographs. Next up then is the red Jaguar. Very, very rare car. Short wheelbase, V12, stunning car. Totally original, that's the original colour. You look under it and inside it, look everywhere. That car is absolutely as new. Beautiful car. Thank you for bringing that along, sir. Absolutely stunning. Bit of a trophy there. There's something going with that, Claire. What have you got to go with that? Along with that, you've got, if you'd like to go, when you get a minute, if you'd like to go and see Matthew on the Mercedes stand, he's got 2 free tickets to the Wakefield Beer Festival that goes with that trophy for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for bringing it. Lovely car. Don't let it tick over for too long because it'll run out of petrol. Lovely car, but V12 engine. That car probably do between 8 and 12 miles to the gallon. If you're careful, but it doesn't matter, does it? Look at it. Absolutely stunning. Are we nearly there? Next up then, if you're a fan of TV and movie cars, Eleanor. This is a 67 GT Shelby 500. Eleanor tribute car. Absolutely stunning. Thank you for bringing that. Fast and Furious. Very, very rare car again, ladies and gentlemen, that. Thank you for bringing that. Another top 5 trophy, and you've got, if you go over and see Johnny at Black Detail, you've got a posh wash and mini valet. Again, not that you'll need it, but you don't need to clean that car, any other car really. So if you go and see Johnny after the show, sure, sort you out with your price. Thanks for bringing it. You won't see another one of those today. Well, unless I've forgotten how to count to 5, that'll be about it. Which only leaves Best in Show. Car here at 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Best in Show, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful car, that. One of our professional photographers on the day, Mark, has kindly donated a framed print of this car to go with the Best in Show trophy. So if you'd like to liaise with Mark, we'll take a photograph of that car, sir. We'll do you a framed print and he'll sign it. Lovely prize. Thanks for donating that, Mark. Best in Show, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic. Right, that just leaves one thing then. If you've got your raffle tickets ready, is Matthew about, please, from Mercedes? Matthew's just gone down to get one of the Mercedes, just as a demonstration. It might not be the actual car that you borrow for a week, but if your number's drawn out, if you've got a raffle ticket, the prize is a Mercedes-Benz for a whole week. A lot of effort has gone into getting these things here. I don't know if, well, I hope you walked down to the display in the bottom field, but The big Kenworth rig there probably does 4 miles to the gallon. Brought here today for you to look at, ladies and gentlemen. And the Hummer, that's come a long, long way. Never see another one of them today again. Right, this is a V8 bi-turbo. It's an E-Class, it's a 63. Just give it a rev, Matthew. Hello. We're liking that. All you petrol heads will be breathing the fumes in. Absolutely fantastic. They say he's just a Stig, but I think he can draw some tickets out too. Glennis, if you'd like to offer him the bag, Stig will draw you the winning ticket out. You show me it. If you've got your tickets at the ready, if you've got the winning ticket, of course, go down to the Mercedes stand, have a word with Matthew, and he'll sort you out with a new Mercedes. All the proceeds from these raffle tickets again are going into our causes. If you've got ticket number, now is it 6 or is it 9? I think it's number 9, and that's Michelle Lovell. Shelley? Michelle Lovell? Where are you? You nearly didn't get it then. Where's your ticket, my darling? Have you got the corresponding ticket? I'm like Willy Wonka. You ain't got the ticket, you don't get the prize, girlie. Mercedes Benz for a week. Good heaven.
Do I get petrol as well?
No. We've got here.
Oh my god.
Ticket number 9.
Oh really?
Congratulations, you've won yourself a Mercedes-Benz for a week. There you go. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. If you'd like to jump in that car, Matthew will escort you back to the Mercedes-Benz stand, and you can just give him your details.
Do I have to get in driver's seat?
No, get in the passenger seat and Matthew will take you around with it. Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah. Well done, Michelle. If you just give Matthew your details, we'll probably get you a little mention in it, certainly in the Silcoates School magazine. Well done. Look at the draw, ladies and gentlemen. As well as organising the Mercedes-Benz stand today, Matthew's also running the Wakefield Beer Festival, which is in a couple of weeks. So last weekend in May. We can put details on the website. We'll put it on our Facebook page. If anybody wants to get down to the Wakefield Beer Festival, we're raising money for all sorts of different charities, and it's basically run by the Round Table. Right, I'm sure you're sick of hearing me going on now, so that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please feel free to walk around the cars. You can walk around the grounds of the school. Please feel free to walk behind the chapel and the hall and have a look at our very, very impressive all-weather pitch. We just spent nearly £1 million creating it. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Give yourselves a round of applause again. And we'll see you all next year on the last Sunday in April 2015. Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you, Paul. On behalf of everybody here, I think we ought to give a cheer and a thanks for Paul, who spent hours and hours and weeks organising this event. So, Paul, thank you very much indeed for organising it. And can I ask you all to give him a round of applause? Thank you.
Switch it off.
Super efficient, turning the mic off. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for that, putting me on the spot. It wouldn't happen without everybody, and it certainly wouldn't be a show without the cars. Thank you. Oh, time for some music. a good day. I want to say thanks to the Skoda lads for having me in their trailer. Some say the Stigsby and some say that the Skoda guys are the best looking guys that's been here today, and I might agree with that. Thank you very much. Bye bye everybody, see you all later. Hope you've had a nice day. Bye bye.